Today we're gonna go check out a traditional supermarket, and Thomas is gonna buy ingredients for a Spanish recipe, and he's gonna show you how to make it too. And what's it called, Thomas?
Carrilleras al vino tinto.
Carrilleras al Vino Tinto. So let's go. Vamos. This is really good. Like, I think you can only find in Europe, and the authenticity of these markets. Because in like Dubai, where I was living before, New Zealand, America, you just go to big supermarkets and buy everything, but here you buy everything fresh, and that's what is part of the process of the recipe that Thomas is going to show us. And vegetables, and they're all shelf today, and this is all like fresh produce. I love it. It's better than going to a boring supermarket. Really nice. Such fresh produce. I love these kind of like markets, Thomas. And you?
Look at this fry.
Huh?
All the fishes.
Yeah, amazing. These crabs are alive and waiting to be eaten, which is really bad. I feel sorry for them. But
Really?
yeah, but I kind of like eating them too.
They are delicious. Carrilleras.
Okay, let's see. So, but they are pork. I don't eat pork.
This one. Ternera.
Ternera.
Yeah, this is the last one.
So we were lucky.
Yes.
And you can taste them for free if you want. Obviously, I don't eat this, but let me taste the cheese.
There are a lot of
They have a big
cheeses.
choice of things to try. Queso azul, me encanta queso azul. Mucho, mucho, mucho. So I'm gonna try this.
Me too.
Yummy. I love blue cheese. Queso de leche de vaca. So it's from the cow.
Yes.
So this is queso de amonio,
De leche cruda, vaca y cabra.
vaca y cabra.
Yes.
Vaca y cabra.
You like it?
I love it. Queso asturiano. This is from Asturias. Amado de Fría. I'm gonna try this. I've got one side of cheese on one side, and the other one on the other side of my mouth. It's the fresh seafood. It's so amazing. And now where are we going,
I'm going
Thomas?
to show you. Oh, now we're going to buy vegetables. We need also vegetables.
At this
for-
cute little shop.
Yeah, it's amazing. We will come here.
Look at the size of tomatoes. Are they tomatoes? Tomates?
Tomates.
Sí.
Yes.
Estos tomates.
Estos tomates.
Estos tomates. This shop is really cute.
Sí, esas están bien. Perfectos. Pimiento rojo.
I have to go to the other side and film more. Today Thomas is gonna show us a recipe, a traditional Spanish recipe. The name of the dish appears in the title, and if you want to learn something new, then you gotta learn it from Thomas. What are you doing? Juggling with two mandarins, you gotta do three. Yeah.
So today we're going to make carrilleras al vino tinto, and this is all that we need.
Check out the capsicum, it's so huge.
Yeah.
It's from the local market that we showed you earlier.
Local market, very good products.
So here is Thomas preparing veggies,
I'm chopping.
chopping. So as you guys know, we just came back from the supermarket, from the lovely supermarket. Well, it's not really a supermarket. What would you call it?
It's a traditional market.
Traditional market, and we got all these things.
Like the typical market, the
It's
old
a
one.
typical market, yeah, an old one, old market.
Old market, yeah.
And-
First of all, we need to prepare all the vegetables, we need to chop.
Okay. All the
After
vegetables? Which vegetables? Put down a list now.
Leek,
Mm-hmm.
1 leek,
Mm-hmm.
1 onion,
Mm-hmm.
2 carrots,
Mm-hmm.
and 1 capsicum, red one,
Mm-hmm.
and garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Like we need the meat,
Mm-hmm.
2 carrilleras like this size more or less.
Mm-hmm.
Here there are 2. We need the spices, well, herbs in this case,
Mm-hmm.
thyme, rosemary,
Mm-hmm.
and parsley.
Perfect.
And for later, we will fry some potatoes.
Okay, we'll see that later.
Yeah. Also, we need
Red wine.
red wine, for sure, olive oil,
Yes.
and salt.
And salt.
And to make it more tasty,
Mm-hmm.
we are going to use, where is this? It's here, I think. Caldo de verduras. It's like a vegetable soup.
Perfect.
Okay? So it is everything. So now we're ready for the next step. We need to prepare carrilleras, and first of all, we need to put salt,
Mm-hmm.
and we need to put pepper. Salt and pepper.
Okay. What's so special about this dish?
It's like very good. The taste is very soft, and it's like when you eat it, it's melting in your mouth. It's super good.
Okay.
Very good quality. I think it's the most special thing. So we need to repeat the process on the other side.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
So we put.
So the next step is?
Next step is put flour,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will put in the pan to seal it.
Mm-hmm.
This is
So you
very
need
important.
flour that you didn't say we needed. Did you say that?
Yeah, I think that no, I didn't. But don't worry because we will write all the ingredients.
Yeah, we'll
So-
write that in description. Also in the
Yeah, so
on the video.
the oil needs to be very hot. I think it's already very hot.
Okay.
And we will put it. Now it's going to be messy, so don't be afraid. Oh, maybe it's not still very hot.
It's hot enough.
You think?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's put it. Yeah, to this.
And then for how long do you fry them?
No, it's only like 1-2 minutes. It needs to be burned because we are sealing it. To be like this,
Seared.
a little bit burned,
Mm-hmm.
because then we are going to put it here. And we want all the juice inside.
So you kind of like a little bit pan fry it,
Yeah.
and then later you just cook it as a dish.
Yeah.
What a brilliant idea! I never knew. But I don't know what does the wine play as a purpose.
You will see.
Amazing.
So now we have this sealed. Now it's going to put the oil with the garlic.
Okay, so you've like done the whole. You didn't chop the garlic.
We are going to, no, it's not necessary. And we are going to add
Oh,
all the vegetables.
onions and capsicum and leek.
We are a disaster.
You know what? I never thought like they would use leek in Spanish cooking.
Yeah.
Because
very common.
usually they use leek in Chinese cooking and they don't use it in South Asian like Indian, Pakistani cooking.
Okay, now again we need to add some salt.
Okay. Just to the level that you don't get high blood pressure.
Yeah, only a little bit.
Yeah.
And some pepper. Always salt and pepper. Always.
Okay.
And a little bit. Remove a little bit.
So the oil gets drawn.
Yeah, with the oil. Now we're going to put this inside.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting.
One.
So is it gonna cook fully or is it gonna be like seared the whole time?
It's going to be here all the time.
No, like will the inside of it be cooked fully?
Yeah, it will be. It will be very soft. You will see. And
Perfect.
now the thing that we have to do is add.
Oh. So
Vino
for the
Tinto,
record,
red wine, like more or less half a liter.
so for the record, like I asked Thomas, like, do you get tipsy if you
No.
ate this? He says no, the intoxication part of it dies out when you cook it, right?
No, because the alcohol disappears with the heat.
Yeah.
It's evaporated.
Perfect. So the actual curry is just Made of wine.
More. And then like 10 minutes with the fire very very high,
Okay.
and it will be evaporated. So
Perfect.
more or less I think that a little bit more.
But that's not half a liter.
It's
Is it?
half a liter, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I can
We're
actually
going to
smell the
put
wine.
Laurel, chives, then I'll put rosemary,
Some rosemary, and then he's gonna sprinkle some
thyme.
thyme. Oh, I didn't even know what that was. And what's this? Salsa?
It's parsley.
Parsley. Okay, perfect.
So thyme. It's typical Mediterranean herbs. You can find it here in Spain,
Perfect.
in the nature, and parsley.
Now you're going to add the soup, right?
Yes, exactly. So I love everything.
So beef, capsicum, leek, onions. You fry beef separately, you add them all together. Later you add red wine, and then you add sopa, but before sopa, you add all the herbs.
Yeah, and now we need to wait.
For how long?
Oh, a lot of time. So now maybe we will wait 30 minutes, and then we will put the upside down
Perfect.
the meat.
And what about the potatoes?
At the end, we will fry it at the end when everything will be ready.
Perfect. So we've been cooking for how many hours, Thomas?
Oof, a lot of hours. More than 3 hours.
Okay.
And now it's not ready, but we need to spare this.
Okay. So you separate it from
Yeah.
the dish. Okay, that's interesting.
And the sauce need to
It already
reduce.
smells really nice.
Yeah, smells super nice, but this sauce need to reduce more. So
Okay.
I'll put the fire
Further, extra.
without the lid, the extra fire, yes. Number 5, it will be fine. And it will.
And what about the
reduce a little.
potatoes there?
Yeah, the potatoes. Now I need to peel potatoes and
Add
I'm
them
going
in
to
there.
Fry it.
Oh, you're gonna fry them? Okay.
Yeah, fried potatoes, and this it will be with the sauce.
Perfect. What are you doing now, Thomas?
Now
You make the curry from you're taking out the water.
it's not a curry, but yeah, it's like the water. It's separate. It's okay.
Yeah.
I separate the liquid from the solid, and we are
you put fry.
only going to use the liquid.
Right.
So this one is not going to be used. Okay.
So you're frying fries, and how did
Yeah.
you make the sauce?
The sauce is all the liquid that we have with the vegetables, the meat,
and then
everything.
oh my
So
god,
at the
it's
end,
such a huge process.
everything was reduced to this. It's very good sauce.
And the
It will be
fries.
amazing.
What are you gonna do with the fries? I'm really amazed to know.
No, the fries is only for side
Yummy.
to prepare everything. So this
Okay.
way.
Okay. It's taken many hours. Like how many? Like 4 or 5 hours.
4 hours more or less, yes. So now this for the side, the fries.
Okay, so oh, you have them as a side dish.
Yeah, side dish, yes.
Yummy.
It will be. We're going to put the sauce, which is the best important thing.
So can I ask you something?
Yummy.
So this onion, leek, everything that became a sauce?
Yeah, exactly. All the liquid.
Okay. That's so
So-
yummy-ish. And you?
We will put it here. Look. And now this.
Yummy.
And we will have how
Yeah.
soft is the meat.
Yummy. It
It's
takes a lot
very
of work.
soft. It's amazing. Look.
Yummy. Yes. Okay, let me try it before now.
Okay, now you start your turn to try it. Now
My
you
turn.
must
And
try
I
it.
cannot believe that this whole thing has turned into
Yeah.
sauce and
Dip it in the sauce, yes.
Oh my gosh. It's the best thing ever. Thank you, Thomas.
Really?
Best thing ever.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
I love it.